one day you could be, you know, sort of on top of things, and then the next day it just goes pear-shaped real quick. You know, you just need one fella to dump some rubbish somewhere or take a dump on the floor. It just changes your whole day. My name's Des. I'm the Environmental Ranger Team Lead. Typical day for us consists of 3 runs, primarily a litter run. We have an opening run and a toilet run, so keeping them clean as best we can.
But yeah, there has been a lot of vandalism in our toilets, breaking our soap dispensers, our toilet holders, taking the toilet rolls.
Yeah, just disrespectful people, I suppose. Boredom? Who knows? Yeah, so that can be frustrating. And graffiti.
Graffiti's every day, man. It's ongoing. It's every day. As soon as you get rid of what you've got, there's always more. Especially on playgrounds, you know, where there's our younger kids. Just a bit of community pride. You know, all of us sort of trying to look after what we've got that's here to benefit our kids. Yeah, it can be a bit frustrating at times.
What do I like about this job?
People that are very thankful for what we do.
Just being out and about in the community every day, and for the fact that you're not stuck in one place all day.
Local boy from Turangi, and I take pride in keeping our playgrounds and town clean.
The best part of the job is that you're working for the community basically. It's really nice to feel like you're doing something for the people you care about.
The person that comes into our toilets, they always thank me for the job I do, and I like that.
Seeing like families like that, just walking around enjoying the scenery, you know, that's pretty cool.
But yeah, just to say, for me, I suppose doing what we can as a community to keep Taupō looking, you know, looking good and looking clean, looking fresh. Reporting is a big one. So anything that the community sees, you know, making sure it gets reported so we can plan it in and attend to those sort of issues sooner rather than later.